guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another plant video. I have an unboxing today from Hoya How. I talked about him in my last video. I'm so excited. I didn't think that I was going to be able to film a video this week, but since this is just an unboxing, I haven't done one of these in such a long time, but like I still really love doing it. I haven't really bought plants online as of recently just because I've been like going to nurseries more. I feel like my desire to go to nurseries is stronger than my desire to pay for shipping. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. Let me stop babbling and let's go. Okay, so before I open, I just want to say that How is probably one of the best like shippers of Hoyas. The last package that I got from him was like very sweet. Like you could tell how much care and effort he puts into wrapping all of his plants. Obviously, these are gonna be Hoyas. I mean, like, have you met me? Hello, I'm Lessia. I love Hoyas. I did only buy cuttings this time around because I am on a little bit of a budget. I don't think I told you guys what's in this box, but he did have a cutting bundle of a Hoya Caramel, Hoya Memoria, and parviflora. So a parviflora was like on my wish list. Like they're so cool. Like I'm gonna throw up a picture of what like a full plant looks like here. They're so cool looking, and I obviously am on a budget, but this month is my birthday month and I feel like it's gonna be very hard sticking to my budget, but I started off with some cuttings, so wish me luck for the rest of the month. Okay, so the first plant that he has in here is it's not even a plant that I bought. He's like the sweetest human being on the planet. I had talked to him before about wanting a chinghuangensis. I don't actually know how to pronounce the name of this, but I've been wanting this plant for a while. After I saw it, I think he posted a picture of it and it was just like beautiful, and then I started looking at a bunch of other pictures of it and I was like, I need that plant. It looks very similar to a bella, but it's even cuter than that because it has like smaller leaves, and he said that he would send me a cutting of that like along with the cuttings that I bought. So thank you How. You're like the coolest person on the planet. I don't know how to thank you. But yeah, let's open it. I feel like I'm talking too much. I haven't filmed an unboxing in a really long time. He said he was just gonna send a cutting, and it's in a little pot, and it's like way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Look how cute it is. Look how cute that is. I need to calm down. Thank you again, How. Let me get into the rest of it. So he also sent like part of the bundle was a Hoya Memoria cutting. I actually also got one of these from the Plant Vibe on Instagram, but the one that I had from her, like I had cut it and only I think 3 of its leaves survived, and the other half that I had cut off, like attempting to make like a fuller plant instead of just like one long vine, it died. So I was really happy that I am going to be able to get like a little bit of a fuller plant given that this roots for me. But yeah, super excited about that one too. I don't have a Hoya Rebecca, but the Buchanansis I thought was really similar to the Hoya Rebecca, but this one is green. So look at how pretty and big this cutting is, you guys. That is such a nice cutting. Look at it. I really am excited to see this guy grow. And then this is the plant that I was like super excited about. This is like the whole reason why I bought the little bundle. And it is my Hoya parviflora Splash. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but here's the name. Look how nice. Oh my goodness gracious. Do you guys see the little splashiness on it? And it's such a nice cutting. Like, look how nice this cutting is. Look how nice this cutting is. I'm so like amazing packaging, amazing plants. The last one in here is a Hoya Caramel. This is one that I surprisingly do not have. It's another like tiny leafed Hoya. It reminds me a lot of the Hoya Panchoy, I think that's what it's called. This one is different. I have never really actually like seen one in person, at least not to my knowledge. I might have seen one at Tiffany's and just don't know it, but I didn't have this one. Oh my goodness gracious. You guys know how much I love tiny leaf Hoyas. Look how adorable that is. I don't think that you really understand how cute it is. Like these leaves right here. Do you see that? Like compared to my finger? They're little. Hopefully this guy loves me and likes me as much as like my other plants do. I'm so excited about this one. Like I'm obviously excited about all of them, but like look how cute this is. But yeah, I got all of my plants and they all look pretty good. I'd recommend buying cuttings online if you aren't, because cuttings seem to last or be a little bit more durable for me than buying like full plants online. I don't know why. It's just something that I've experienced and I've noticed. But yeah, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button down below. Comment down below what your recent plant mail purchase was. Are you still buying plants online, or are you more of like an in-person shopper now? And if you like me and if you like plant videos, go ahead and subscribe if you want to. Today's plant friend feature of the day is going to be Lake Effect Plant Lover. I'd recommend going and checking out her channel. She likes Hoyas just like I feel like we all do. Definitely go check her out. She is very sweet. I just had a conversation with her the other day about a Hoya Memoria because I've been wanting it forever and she has one, and she told me how much of a diva it was, so maybe it's no longer on my wish list, I don't know. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!